What happens when you bring together a group of curious teenagers with a lot of questions and a lab that says, "Go ahead, find out"? You get Anveshana. Not a class, not a workshop, but a movement that is changing how young India experiences science. So far in Anveshana, we watched something incredible unfold. Students walked in unsure, nervous, and curious, and walked out as confident young researchers who built prototypes, cracked real scientific problems, and even published in international peer reviewed Scopus Index journals. Yes, high school students publishing real research. For many of them, especially first generation learners, Anveshana wasn't just an achievement, it was a life changing moment. And that energy, that spark and success is exactly what brings us to the next big chapter, presenting Anveshana 2026. Bigger, braver, and way more exciting. This year, we're not just opening our labs, we're opening possibilities. Students won't just do research, they live it. They'll spend time in advanced labs, explore industries and field sites, decode real world problems, and experiment without fear. They'll question deeply, fail bravely, and try again boldly to discover the joy of figuring things out on their own. Anveshana 2026 will be more interactive, immersive, and more engaging than ever before. Because Anveshana is not about memorizing anything. As the name suggests, it is all about exploration. Come and be a part of it.